Hi, this is Merrill Jencks with the Big Helper Real Estate Group. I'm coming at you with an update regarding the housing market for the neighborhood of Seville in Gilbert, Arizona. So if you don't live in Seville, you'll probably find this really, really boring. But if you do live in Seville, hopefully you'll find it interesting. Just giving you some cool numbers and data about what is currently for sale, what is recently selling, and hopefully giving you a better idea of what your home is worth. But if you ever want to have a custom analysis done on your house, even if you're not interested in selling, maybe you're just updating your net worth spreadsheet or whatever it is, let me know. I'm always more than happy to give you that update and give you an idea of what a buyer would be willing to pay for your home in this crazy market. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that I can jump into the numbers a little bit. So right now in Seville, we have 8 active listings. Cheapest one currently is priced at $489,900, and the most expensive is priced at $825,000. 8 active listings is better than we have had in the past. A few months ago, we only had 2 active listings in the neighborhood at one point. So 8 is a little bit more of a decent, respectable number. There are, however, 25 listings in the neighborhood that are currently pending, and then 11 listings that have sold in the past 30 days. The 11 listings that have sold in the last 30 days range from $420,000 being the cheapest, all the way up to $3.5 million. The $3.5 million home ties the most expensive home ever sold in the MLS in Seville. Maybe there was some sort of a private sale or but anything that's ever sold in the MLS, only one other home has ever sold that high at $3.5 million. So I wanted to kind of give you the averages of the homes that have sold in the past 30 days, but including this $3.5 million one is a little, not very often. Only one time ever has another home sold at that price, and it's thrown off the numbers. So I did remove it in transparency, removed that home from our other sales to give you the kind of monthly numbers. The average sales price, removing the $3.5 million, was $609,400. With a home selling for an average of 2% above the asking price. So we're still seeing, a month or two ago, we were at 3 or 4% above asking price, but demand is still high enough that homes are still going above list. And the average days on market for these 16 homes was, for these 11 homes, now I just ruined it, was only 16 days. The average price per foot. This is where you can kind of take this information and possibly apply it to your home if you have a fairly typical, typical home. The cheapest price per foot of these comps was $236. The average price per foot was $257. And the most expensive price per foot was $303 per foot. Again, probably, the $3.5 million did sell for $458 per foot. It's also on almost 2 acres. So there you have it. There's a quick update for you regarding the Seville and what's going on with the market. The month supply of inventory number, we take the actives, the 8 actives divided by the 11 that have sold in the past 30 days. Is 0.73. Again, a balanced market would tend to have around a 5-month supply of inventory. So we are expecting values to continue to rise, although as we're in the fall and winter, they might level off for a few months and then start to pick up and take off again in the spring of 2022. So 0.73 month supply of inventory is still a very, very, very strong seller's market, but it is climbing, right? We were at a much lower number. There's a few more houses for sale now. But as a whole, the Phoenix market as a whole is at a 0.84 month supply of inventory. Seville currently, small sample size, is 0.73. So as a whole, the neighborhood's a little more competitive than the market altogether. So that's your update. If you have any questions or you would like to get more information from us about anything as it pertains to real estate, we would love to help. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.